Ngwatanĩro ya athĩnjĩri kuma Mutindwa ibaichumirĩte kũreana na rĩendekethia rĩa rĩrĩkĩtie kwĩtharĩria ikinyithua mbere ya mbunge rĩa kũrita mwerekera kĩmakanisa na rabawĩte watho popo kethira bogiata Kenya kana kari kĩoto gĩo gĩa kwĩthira bakithathagia mũgarũ na bũra katiba ya nthĩũrũ ya Kenya kuwa koloki bachokete bethira betumanto mwaki ya bunge ya Meru bakolwa bakethira bakiwata mbaru muswanda yo bakethira bagĩcemania ndebene 2027.
Ni watho ũrĩa bukonekana thirikari ikenda kubureta mbogia manto ya makanisa ara muthinjiri wonde akira no manga kwithwa athomete na kanisa nandi ciambia kuri ogoti untu bubu athinjiri rungura mwambiriro rema mbethwa bejite amwe batongerete mwerekerio wao mbethwa bakiregana na untu bubu.
Kwa hivyo mimi kama director wa Rema Global Alliance of Pentecostal Churches Meru County nasema ya kwamba sisi kama wachungaji hatuna imani na hiyo bill ya kukandamiza kanisa kwa sababu it violates Article 32 of our constitution. Kwa hivyo bill tumeikataa na hatuitaki.
Hatukinyite, and especially after the church put in a lot of effort, put in a lot of energy to ensure that William Ruto was elected as president. Ni mischief iriku kani mantu yego kanisa ithiithĩtie contrary ke mantu yara ya social norms ira ibwiri kwithĩrio kenda gutuika kanisa ikerwa kutuike no lazima muntu, for example pastor ethena degree ire ikwirwa kenda unjia for over 62 years Kenya tetwera ko unjerua. This bill ire kuwa kanisa babwe buritaithie kinyo oti bure. Let me tell you, is a bill in my view that is retrogressive, that should not find space in Kenya, and which must be resisted with the full force that is required by the church.
Akira kanisa no yongwe kairungamira na sauti yao ikikane nonto abunge batina uge.
Na ningependa kusema kama kuna mbunge atasimama apige yes kwa hiyo bill wa hii Meru County, tutatembea usiku na mchana vile anataka twende nyumbani, hata yeye ataenda nyumbani.
So baobwan kwendo bwirira as the church, if your hope is with the members of parliament, ntumbo kwira whether bragwa karwa non to there is proper capture of our parliament by the executive. Kwa huu ibangeni, it is you people to put the pressure. So if you want to redeem the church, if you want to redeem yourselves from oppressive leadership ya sheria iko proposwa ikunyelia kanisa, you must come together, you must stand together and resist the bill that is now proposed ya kuregulate kanisa.
Muthuri Muriuki, Waru TV, Mutirwa Kangangi.